We are moving forward in an extraordinary way. We have been working together in the area of clinical research, opening clinical trials, offering the latest and best new treatments, some of which are transforming the care of cancer. And by working together, we make sure that every patient can get the best possible care with tomorrow's treatments today.
MedStar in general provides an infrastructure for us that encourages research. There are institutions where that doesn't happen. That's not really the case for us. We really want to have clinical trials as a major component of our treatment options for patients, and we want to be able to improve patient care by getting results that hopefully will change the standard of care.
At every step of the way, there's an opportunity to improve how we do things, to make better treatments, to uncover better therapies. So we always know we need to move the bar. And what we try to do here is offer every patient who comes here not only standard of care, but an alternative option. And so it's an important part of our collaborative to engage folks in clinical research, offer them the best clinical trial that there is out there. And if they want to participate, we're delighted to have them.
I was diagnosed with stage 4 thymic carcinoma. I received many radiation treatments, and I did 4 courses of chemo, and unfortunately it didn't work. I really wasn't given a lot of hope. It had spread pretty much everywhere. And that was probably some of the darkest moments of this whole journey, when you feel like there's just nothing else out there. And we were lucky enough to hear of an immunotherapy trial. We started the trial on Keytruda, and little by little I felt myself getting stronger and stronger, and I had a large lymph node up in my supraclavicular area, and after my first infusion, 3 weeks later, that was completely gone. So I got the results of my PET CT. It is a miraculous change. I had no detectable disease. So you can imagine the happiness and joy in hearing that news.
There's really the opportunity to bring the most innovative and cutting-edge therapies to each individual hospital. We offer a very broad portfolio of clinical trials, not just with the medical oncologists, but the surgeons and the radiation oncologists. It's just a very broad expanse of treatment options that can be offered to the patients.
It has been unbelievable to go from a situation where we had very little to offer, where now we have an embarrassment of riches, but it still requires judgment and understanding and experience to know what treatments to give to particular patients first.
We can all work together with a common goal and a common purpose to eradicate cancer, bringing the fantastic resources, the great doctors, the great nurses, the research infrastructure offered by the Lombardi Comprehensive Cancer Center, putting them all together so that we can work together to conquer cancer.